Bye-bye. Hello, let's play. Please press a button.
Nola,
Let's play.
what are you doing?
Please press a button. Hello, let's play. Please press a button.
Nola, what are you doing while Henrik's learning letters?
Look at those.
Did Nola just take my bra and go running down the hallway? Should we go sneak up on her?
No.
Oh, let's stay here.
Bye-bye.
Nola,
Hello, let's play.
what did you find?
Press a button.
Oh boy.
It's not a little fish.
What's Nola wearing?
Hello, let's play. Please press a button.
Oh, that's a relaxing toy. Hey, Nola, you better not be biting. Is she biting you?
I'm sorry for
Please press a
your
button.
feelings. It's just fine for you to stop biting me.
That's right.
Please press a button. Bye-bye.
Nola, do you want to play with this princess? Oh, hey.
This is my train track.
Nola, do you want to play with the trains? Yeah? Look at this. Are you mad at your bra now? Oh. What is that? I think Nola needs to find a baby. Nola, where's your baby? I don't know where your baby went. Oh, here she is. Here. Do you want your baby? Yeah, you like your baby? Where are you going? Oh, does she want her bottle? Oh, what a nice mommy you are. Where are you going, Nola? Can you see anything? Oh, you're just gonna back up. You find your baby? Is that your baby? Can you give Henrik a hug? Can you go give Henrik a hug? Oofta. Go give Henrik a hug. Oh, what a nice girl. And Henrik, you're a nice boy for letting her hug you like that?
Yay! The train trucks are coming off! The Elmos say that the train trucks are coming off because they can go to school now.
They can go to school now?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, then they're not stuck in there, are they?